ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಸ್, ಟುಡೇ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟುಡೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾಳೆ EVS ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್. Okay, from today I will do the lesson very shortly because you need to learn for the assessment also. So I will try to finish up to date curriculum with a short basis. So daily I will not go to a routine. You all know again and again. I will not summarize for 4 days. I will start directly from the your what subjects. Okay, now we will start with Kannada. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ? ಅ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಪ ಬ ಮ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ? ಯ ರ ಲ ವ ಶ. ಯ ರ ಲ ವ. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಯರ ಲವ ಶ. ಯಾರಿಂದ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಯಾರಿಂದ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಯ ಯಂತ್ರ. ಯಂತ್ರ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಯಂತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ರಾಗೆ ರವಿ. ರಸ್ತೆ. ರಸ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸನ್ಗೆ ರವಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ರಸ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ಗೆ ರಸ್ತೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಲಗೆ ಲಂಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಗೆ ಲಂಗ. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಗೆ ವನ. ವನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್, ಕಾಡುಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಪದ ವನ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶ. ಶಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಶರದಿ. ಶರದಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾಣ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಶರದಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಶಂಖ. ಶಂಖ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯೂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಂಖ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಲವ ಶ ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಸ್ವರಗಳು. ಯಾ ಇಂದ ಯಂತ್ರ, ರಾ ಇಂದ ರವಿ ರಸ್ತೆ, ಲಾ ಇಂದ ಲಂಗ, ವಾ ಇಂದ ವನ, ಶ ಇಂದ ಶರದಿ ಅಥವಾ ಶಂಖ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು. ಇದ್ರ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ pages till sha in your Kannada practice book. Okay, complete all the pages till sha in Kannada practice book. You are doing now. This is your homework. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾರ ಲವ ಶ ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾ ಯಂತ್ರ, ರವಿ ಲಂಗ, ವ ಇಂದ ವನ, ಶ ಇಂದ ಶಂಖ. Okay, this is your Kannada language. Now I will move to next language, that is English. Already I told you, just I am giving, I am completing today's curriculum. Briefly we will go another day because as usual you will have to prepare for your assessment also. So just I am finishing the portion. Next is English. English, what you are reading? What you are learning? Blending words. blending words of L. In that PL, SL. Correct, no? We were learning PL and SL. In the PL, what we are learning? Late, plug, plain. Next, what else? Plus, play. Okay. In SL, we learn slab, slim, slip, slot, slip. Okay. Please open your Discover phonic book, page number. Discover phonic book, book 5, the page number 7. You have to read the sentence there. Okay. Dad gave him a new phone. Tim sleeps with his new plane. Okay. Dad gave him a new phone or new plane. Tim sleeps with his new plane. Kim is on the slide. She likes to play on the slide. Kim is on the slide. She likes to play on the slide. This is the sentence of PL and SL blending. Okay. And the same thing in the phonic activity book, you have to complete the page number 38. What they are given the sentence there? Dad gave Tim a new plane. Tim sleeps with his new plane. Kim is on the slide. She likes to play on the side. Same thing they are given in the both the books. In one book you have to read, in one other book you have to write. Before giving the homework, I will show you how you can read the sentences using PL and SL. In the PL, I told you, first you see the words. Which word is easy for you? Play, plug, plane, plus, play. Okay? I'll take plug and play. Don't play. Don't play. Don't play with electric plug. Okay? Don't play with electric plug. Don't play with electric plug. Okay? Next one is SL. In the SL, we will make one sentence with what? Sleep and sleep. Okay? I'll make a sentence with sleep and sleep. If you want to become slim, don't sleep in afternoon. Please know, if you want to become slim, don't sleep in afternoon. If you want to become slim, don't sleep in afternoon, because the digestion power will be very less in that time. If you sleep means you become fat. Okay, understood? Now we learn two sentences using PL and SL. Okay, shall we try another one sentence using the same thing, or we will mix and match? Okay, I will mix and match with both the SL and PL family blends. Okay, I take using PL and SL. Okay, I'll take slab and play. Okay? Okay? The sentence is teacher instruct the student to play a game slap on your head. Okay, teacher instruct the student to play a game slap on your head. Slap on your head. Like this we play, no? Slap on your head. Run and slap on your head. Then play. The teacher instruct the student to play. Here I taken the play and also the slap. Both are different. Okay, play and slap both are different family. Yes, no? PL comes to PL family and SL comes to SL family. Yes? Yes. This is the blending words L. This is the blending words of L. We learned BL family, CL family, FL family, GL family, PL family and SL family. All together this belongs to a big group that is a L, blend. Okay? You do one thing, take your book, okay? I'll give it as a homework. In your 4 lines book, write 3 words of all L blends family. Okay? What are that? BL family, CL family, FL family, GL family, PL family, SL. For each thing you have to write 3 words. Okay? Children, again and again I am telling you, don't by heart the words. First you understand the word with that particular phonic sound. Then you can write. And try to write it by your own self. Okay? This is the one homework. The second homework is as usual in your phonic activity book, page number 38. You have to write the sentences there. Next, in your Discover Phonic book, page number 7. You need to read the sentences, and in phonic activity book, you need to write the sentences in the page number 38. This is for your English. Now, we will move to next, that is our maths. Reveal of number 61 to 80. Okay, only I am doing the division of the number 61 to 80. Shall I write here? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay? 61 to 80. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. I will practice some number names. I will take randomly 76, 70, SEVENTY, 76, EIGHTY. This is the number name of randomly I have taken here. You need to learn all the things only. For some your reference I have taken randomly 76, 63, 69 and 80. 76, 63, 69 and 80. Okay, I have written the number in here and the numbers here. Okay, the homework is children for this. Yes, the homework is open your page number 43. Mathematics readiness book homework page number 43. What they have given there? Open your page number 43 in your mathematics readiness book. What they have given? Write the number for the corresponding number name. They are given some number name there. You have to read for that and you have to write the number in the blank. Okay, they are given the number names there. You have to write the numbers. Okay, don't it's from 60 to 70 only. Read the number names thoroughly and you have to do the worksheet for this. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now we will move to the next part, that is our creative craft. In your drawing book, what you have to do now? We have celebrated in your creative craft. In your drawing book, you have to draw a picture of sugarcane, pot, fire, rangoli. All these things you have to draw. Why you have to draw all these things? This is in which festival this will come? Yes, this will come in Sankranti. Put an heading. Okay, put an heading Sankranti. How you can draw? I draw one small thing. Okay, draw one pot like this. You can draw neatly. Just for your reference, I am drawing. Okay. Okay, this is the cotton. What is this, children? This is cotton. Okay, I will make some designs in this pot. Okay, you can decorate your pot with whatever you require. Okay, I'll draw 2 sugarcane. Okay, this is sugarcane. This is what? This is somewhat fire. For the fire, you have to put some sticks here. Correct? No? Fire sticks. Yes? Yes. And rangoli you can draw here. This is the theme of the Sankranti drawing. Okay, you have to put the heading Sankranti festival and you have to draw what and all I written here. Sugar cane. These two is sugar cane. One pot, cotton. It's like a milk and the fire, bonfire with sticks and any rangoli here. Okay, draw it in a full page with colorful drawing and send to me. Okay, children. This is all for today's class. Tomorrow you have EVS assignment actually, and Tuesday you have maths assessment. Please be ready for that. Take care. Bye.